What's going on, ladies and gents? Terrence P and I am back with another video. And today in this video right here, I just got a package. What it do, ladies and gents? Terrence P and I am back with another video. And today in this video, I am doing a review on some sandals that I've been wanting for a while. Now, I just ordered them last week. They just came in today. So when I got home, the package was inside waiting on me, ready to be unboxed. Because they are in a box. But what y'all gotta see, this is crazy, man, because where I'm at right now, it rains a hella. And I ordered some sandals, but I've been wanting these sandals for a while. But when they first came out, they were $70. No, it was 75, and I told myself, like, I don't know if I can spend 75 on those sandals, because I never had sandals before. I've always had like flip-flops and stuff like that. So I never actually owned a pair of sandals. But today they got cut off. I finally caught these guys on sale. Now let me tell you how the sale went. So Nike had a sale, and the shoe was $46, right? Retail 75, but Nike had a sale and the shoe was $46. And then there's a website by the name, I want to say S&S, sneakers and stuff. And they got a few shops. I think one is LA, New York, if I'm not mistaken. But they had the shoe, well, they had the sandal in for, I want to say maybe like $33. This was the thing. S&S, I keep saying S&S, that's the name, S&S sneakers and stuff. They had the red pair of sandals. And the red pair of sandals was $33, but it was a, let me back it up, because I'm getting confused. I keep saying S&S and then sneakers and stuff, because I'm trying to confuse y'all. But sneakers and stuff had a pair of red sandals for $33 in a size 10. Nike had the same pair for like $46, I think, if I'm not mistaken. 45, 46 with tax or something like that. So I end up going with the ones from Nike because of the color. Red is a nice color, but I didn't, without the vibe that I was going with, I just felt like that they wouldn't really hit me like that. But I'm gonna show you guys which ones I got, man. Hold on, let me see. As you guys can see, ew, what is in this box, you say? Well, let's see. Crack the guy open. Ugh, it's a box in a box. These ones right here, ladies and gentlemen, are the ACG, okay? ACG, all condition gear. I can't pronounce that word. Deschutz. We're gonna let you guys see. Hold on. Bop, bing, 10 right here. Come on. Ooh, E. Okay, so let's see. Crack these guys open. Hold on now. What you doing, man? First off, let you get the bottom piece. Man, first off, Rick or embedments. I gotta give me some nice socks for this. Now, for outdo, I say outdo. This guy right here is for outdoor use. You know what I'm saying? Outdoor use on that thing right here. Boom. This is the bottom. Nice. Soft too. Look at that. Feel me? That thing right there, soft for here, y'all. Oh, this is nice. I can't wait to bust these hoes on. Look at that right here. Comfortable, man. You know what I'm saying? I never owned me a pair of sandals. I'm really excited. And I'm really excited with the color that I went with, man, because when I was looking for reviews on these shoes, don't nobody review this lavender color. Like you had the red ones being viewed, the blacks especially, like the black they reviewed those. If anybody can tell me why is my face breaking out like this, or if you can help me with some type of conditioner or anything, talk to me, Lord. Yes, but I just got my hands on these guys. I'm super stoked, y'all. It's my first time having a pair of these guys. I'm super dope. I don't know when or where I'm gonna wear these hoes at, straight up. But to have them in my hand is everything. These, I wear a 9.5, but I don't always clip my toenails properly. So a 9.5 will kind of feel a little bit funny for real. But if I'm on top, if I'm on top of my stuff, this is the thing. If I clip my toenails and wear thin socks, I'm golden ticket. But I got these guys in a 10 right here. You feel me? And the 10, on the other hand, is actually a decent size. And I'm glad I got the 10 because they look bigger. I'm actually gonna try these guys on and let you see how they look on my feet. All right, here they go. I been feeling like the man when I walk through. Okay. Now. Boy, stop playing. I'm talking on feet. I'm talking, ladies and gentlemen, the ACGs in that thing. You feel me? I'm trying to see if y'all can get up on them thing right there. You know what I'm talking about? Here you go, yeah, Feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about, you feel me? Okay. I'm talking about, stop playing with me. Cleanse. Okay. Stamp of approval. All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This has been another Terrence P episode. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, you guys. Enjoy.